and you should have never wasted my time. Good fucking luck, you dumb piece of shit. Right.
That is a voicemail that an insurance agent from Family First Life Insurance left my father, who's in his late 60s. And I had to bleep out the first half because it's just him saying my parents' address, saying their address, their zip code, their state, and him saying good luck. Threatening my elderly father because he didn't want to work with him and didn't want his quote. He felt like my dad just wasted his time. Actually so inappropriate, and I'm making this video because I want the Family First Life Agency to see it. I want them to contact me so I can give them the receipts. I was able to figure out who it was. My dad didn't even know like the guy's name. I looked the number up. I was able to find his mom and grandmother because it's under their like phone bill. Found his mom's Facebook. His mom was sharing stuff about him sharing life insurance. And not only did his videos match up to the voice on the voicemail, but his business card for the Family First Life Insurance also had one of the numbers that was harassing my dad. The fact he called on multiple numbers is psychotic. The fact that he left a voicemail saying my parents' address, state, zip code, and good luck, and then the other things is actually insane as well. And keep in mind, the only reason my dad even answered to begin with was because one of the numbers actually said like veteran affairs, even though technically they're not, but they work with them in some sort of way, and they get like veteran leads to call vets who are already looking for insurance and things like that. My dad wouldn't have even answered if he didn't think it was directly the VA either. My mom called me earlier actually terrified because she thought that my dad was accidentally maybe talking to a scam artist because it was so unprofessional. She didn't believe that like a person would do that or get that mad over that. It's so strange that she's like, I'm afraid maybe he like gave information thinking he was like talking to somebody about insurance or something, and like now they know our information. That's sick. And not only that, but my dad called him back after the voicemail because obviously at this point, like, you've been hounding him. So he calls him back multiple times because the guy answers, hangs up. You just left this threatening voicemail. He answers, and obviously my dad is defensive. You just called and left a threatening voicemail, literally naming his address. Like, that is actually psychotic. And literally he starts just screaming at my dad and tells him, you're not an effing vet. You're not a veteran, you piece of, like, to my dad, who is a veteran who struggles with PTSD every single day. And listen, he's 22. He was born in 2002. He's like all over social media, posting how much money he makes all the time, dude. And he actually teaches. He teaches all over social media about how to make money online. Making this video, and I'm going to tag the Family First Life Agency in it. They do have a TikTok. It's private. But if you guys could please repost, share, give it all the buttons, because I want to speak to somebody directly. I tried calling a direct number earlier. It just went to voicemail. I'm definitely going to try to call tomorrow, but this is wrong. And not only did my dad not deserve that, but other people don't deserve it. And this person has a very bizarre temperament, and they do not need to be doing this as a job if they're that selfish and greedy that is how they talk to anybody. To anybody. Genuinely makes me want to cry when I think of all my dad has sacrificed and went through for some snot-nosed 22-year-old kid to talk to him like that, and to say the things that he said is vile, and he has no business working with any veteran, actually, ever.